Conversation between teacher and student in school. Teacher: Good morning, Ria. How are you today? Student: Good morning, ma'am. I am doing well, thank you. Teacher: Great to hear. Did you finish your homework on the life cycle of the butterfly? Student: Yes, ma'am. I completed it. I also added a small diagram to explain it better. Teacher: That's wonderful, Ria. Let me see your work. Excellent effort. The diagram makes it much clearer. Student: Thank you, ma'am. I enjoy drawing, so I thought it would help. Teacher: It definitely does. Keep up this good habit. By the way, do you have any question about today's science topic? Student: Yes, ma'am. I wanted to ask about metamorphosis. Is it the same for all insects? Teacher: That's good question. No, not all insects go through complete metamorphosis. Some, like grasshoppers, have an incomplete metamorphosis. Student: Oh, I see. I will read more about it. Thank you for explaining. Teacher: You're welcome, Ria. Always stay curious and keep asking questions. Student: I will, ma'am. Thank you. Teacher: Have a great day, Ria. Student: Me too, ma'am. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.